faculty members, Assalamu alaikum and very good morning. I'm Sadia Shokat, your host. I welcome to all of you in the webinar of Faculty Professional Development for the month of December. This webinar is particularly addressing the professional development sessions that can help teachers to become better at planning their time and staying organized. This will ultimately make teachers more efficient and give them extra time to focus on students rather than the paperwork. As students expect teachers to be the subject matter experts for the topics they teach. For achieving this purpose, this seminar is particularly based on the different sessions addressing the professional development components. Dear audience, I hope you will respect the protocols of the webinar. You can use the chat box for your questions and the comments. This webinar is being recorded and presented through live stream that you can find through the sources of social media of University of Education. This webinar is giving you opportunity to directly talk with the seasoned speakers, so don't be shy and get benefit to interact with the speakers, and you can ask them questions to learn the new avenues of the learning. Let's begin this event. I would like to request Ms. Farah Fatima from Bank Road campus to recite the verses of Holy Quran.
जी बहुत शुक्रिया। أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنا أعطيناك الكوثر فصل لربك وانحر إن شأنئك هو الأبتر صدق الله العظيम। जैसा कि अभी डॉक्टर सादिया ने कहा कि डॉक्टर शगुफ्ता अंदलीब कोरोना पॉजिटिव उनका आया है, तो हम सब उनके लिए यहाँ पर दुआ करना चाहते हैं अल्लाह पाक से। ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाहुल अज़ीमुल हलीम, ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाहु रब्बुल अर्शिल अज़ीम, ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाहु रब्बुस समावात व रब्बुल अर्ज़ि व रब्बुल अर्शिल करीम। अल्लाह पाक अपने इन पाक खुसूसियात के साथ, सिफ़ात के साथ हम सब दुआ गो हैं कि डॉक्टर शगुफ्ता अंदलीब को शिफाए कामला और आजिला अता फरमाए और इस वबा, इस बीमारी को दुनिया से अल्लाह पाक मुकम्मल तौर पर ख़त्म फरमा दे और हम सबको इससे अपनी हिफ्ज़ व अमान में रखे। वसल्लल्लाहु तआला अला खैरि खल्क़िही मुहम्मद व आलिहि वस्सहबिही अजमईन बिरहमतिका या अरहमर राहिमीन।
Thank you so much, Ms. Farah. Thank you so much. Dear audience, we are honored to have patron-in-chief for this webinar, and it is the most awaited time. But I feel the honor to call upon the man who has transformed University of Education with his intellectual insight. He, in a very short span, has channelized the university in its utmost perfection. These words are undoubtedly for the Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Education, Professor Talat Nasir Pasha, who truly deserves even nicer words for his welcome address to the audience. So over to you, sir.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you, Dr. Sadia. I must congratulate team for all the, and I strongly believe that these activities are very useful for capacity building, for sharing of experiences, and for learning from each other. And as during this pandemic we come across very challenges, but at the same time there are many opportunities. Like we never had these webinars or meetings or international consultation through Google Meet or Zoom or other softwares. These opportunities bring us even closer than we were, and we are learning from each other, and my uh, point of view for professional development, we all are the teachers, and teacher is very important component of the society. It's not only its knowledge, its uh, intellectual knowledge, or its whatever he or she knows. Besides, there are many other things which are very important for a teacher. That its behavior, its ethics, its because teachers are the role models, and the students, they follow the teachers. And in our society, there are many issues, and we have other responsibilities beside awarding degrees and beside awarding techniques and technologies, that we have to produce a good human beings. And I believe that all these things is only possible if we start from our own self. Because if we are a good human being, if we have our moral and intellectual and other obligations, and we can uh, transform our students as well. Uh, I think uh, uh, our religion, our culture, our society, and our teachers, they were the real human beings. And but unfortunately now there's a gap between student and the teachers. There's a communication gap. The teachers, they don't have the time, and the students, they don't have the respect for the teachers. Whatever respect we got, we gave to our teachers, and whatever love they gave us, that's missing these days. My only submission will be for the teachers and the future teachers to increase interaction, communication with our students, and we should consider our students, our children, and how we feel that our children should be in a society. That's what we should feel. Our students should be in a society, and it should they should be not only professionals but also good citizens. So my best wishes to the organizers, and I believe this participation will be rewarding for everyone. And I look forward recommendations of this webinar, and best of luck for these activities. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you so much, sir. Would you like to say something about your session work balance life? Can you give us some nice example that how you have been doing your professional career and how you develop the harmony between your personal and the professional life? Would you like to share some examples with us?
I think instead of we say what I have done and what how I work throughout my life, it will be much better, and it's always a better that if your peers evaluate yourself, and that is the true reflection. And in our society, uh, uh, people are more worried about others than their own self. Your behavior, your attitude, your dealing, your working. They have all the sketches of their peers. So it's not ourself that what they are the best judge, and what uh, my perception is that whatever we expect from others, we should be delivering to others. And that is the basic line. And we have been many questions and discussion with the peers and with students and with seniors that what is the best way? It's a hard work or a smart work. I think discipline, hard work is the basic for any growth or any activities. I'm teaching since 1987. I started my journey as a assistant professor. I was selected directly assistant professor. Before that, I worked about 7 years in the field for professional activities, and thereafter I joined university as an assistant professor. And incidentally, since then, I have been taking class, which was the first class at 8 a.m. It may be summer, it may be winter, it may be whatever. And these things I learned from my father, the discipline, the hard work, and the respect for the seniors. And the department I joined, I was very lucky. I MPhil of the department, and I learned a lot from him. Alhamdulillah, he is still alive. He is 90 plus, and I am still visiting him off and on. And I learned teaching from him. I learned how to mess up. I learned how to behave, how the research, writing, and everything. And this is what I expect from my colleagues, that whatever we have learned from our teachers, we should deliver these kind of things to our students. And we should consider them our children. We from should, my colleagues, that whatever we have learned from the relationship to our students, especially those graduate students, should be like relationship. And this is because we are all professionals. It's not undergraduate studies or postgraduate studies. Whosoever is our student, they should have a liberty. They should have always they can access us. Always they can ask question of their personal question, their professional question. Accessibility should be very important. There should not be any communication gap between students, between peers, between seniors, and because we are all teachers, some of us may be chairperson, some of us may be principal or vice chancellor, but basically we are teachers. We should consider ourselves a teacher. And I worked in a university where I served all of my life. And in that university, I was very lucky that, for instance, there was 5 deans, and 4 of the deans were my students. And that was a good teamwork, that I never considered them as a boss. Consider myself as a boss, but I always consider, and they give respect me as a teacher, and that was the basic line of success in that university. And we did a lot of wonders. And I knew that what is the strength of this person and what is the strength of this person. And we always ignored the down points, but we always encourage the strength of each person and work like a team. And last year that university was Pakistan's #1 university in impact ranking. Very small university, but 2020 it was this year. Times Higher Education, it was among world's 200 plus universities, and in Pakistan its ranking was #1. So it's a teamwork, it's a respect for juniors, for seniors, no bossism, nothing. That's the only way to work and to grow and to develop. And we have a lot of responsibilities in a society where there's many issues of if we are not aware that what is the problem of this student, he or she maybe, I don't know how they are beating their hands and how they are and what are their psychological issues, those issues. So we have to beside professional development of our students, we have to take care of, hold their hands and give them all kind of support for them. And in this university, you are very lucky that class size is very small. Your class size is not more than 50 students. And where I was teaching, the class size was 120 students. 120 students, and you have to communicate with 120 students. Here, 50 students. I believe you can deliver much more. You can mentor better, and you can do wonders here. So I encourage each one of you that we should not only the official matters, we should be a human being also. We should be work like a parents, work like a mentor, and that's the only way we can change. We can bring some change in our product, which is our students. आजकल अनफॉर्चुनेटली वो जो बिल्कुल फीलिंग्स जो है ना, एवरीथिंग इज कमर्शियल, वो उस एस्पेक्ट से हमने बाहर निकलना है। हर कोई ये कहता है जी कि मैं मुझे प्रमोशन मिल जाए, मुझे ये मिल जाए, मुझे वो मिल जाए, बट आई बिलीव कि जी यू कंटिन्यू वर्किंग। ये जो जितनी चीजें हैं, जो इनामात हैं, जो ये चीजें हैं, ये खुद ब खुद आती हैं। I never thought that I will be a vice chancellor. When I joined that college, उस कॉलेज में सिर्फ 5 पोस्टें थी प्रोफेसर्स की, और वो बड़े हमारे सीनियर लोग भी एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर रिटायर हो जाते थे। तो we were dreaming कि जी कभी हम प्रोफेसर होंगे। अल्लाह ताला ने डीन भी बनाया, 3 टेन्योर मेरे डीन के हैं, 2 मेरे प्रोफेसर वाइस चांसलर के हैं। तो खुद ब खुद चीजें आती जाती हैं अगर आप सेल्फलेसली और एक मिशन के साथ काम करें। थैंक यू वेरी मच जी, आई हैव टेकन लॉट ऑफ योर टाइम।
Thank you.
Good luck and best wishes.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Dear audience, we still have 20 minutes in the next session, so stay connected, please. If you have any question or if you have any suggestion, just let me know. I can just note it down. Wasim, we have 20 minutes in next session.